What's going on, everybody? Slam Gatchman here, and welcome back to a camera that has stabilization. I got myself a new little GoPro. We got Alpine here. We got this Honda logo here. You remember this thing when we tried to lower it, and well, it sort of worked. But I don't know how the microphone on this camera is. Please bear with me. I'm trying to upgrade this camera. I just got it yesterday. I ordered some stuff for it, but that will be in the next video. Also, I'm sitting on a lot of footage that I still need to release, but that's been filmed on the phone. I don't know how good that quality is because it looks a little bit shaky. The timeline of my videos is completely gone, but I'm gonna pump out some videos and then we'll be back in the rhythm. But he had a crash. What was it, a BMW?
Yeah, BMW 7 Series.
Slammed into the rear of him. Yep. And normally if there's just a little dent, I would say we pull it back and stuff, but if you look at how the rear wheel is sitting, that thing has a lot of toe in. The whole strut tower, everything moved. So this car is no more, which is for Alpine is an upgrade because he got a Civic.
Yeah.
Also, a little progress on this side. It's getting smoother and smoother. Never done this before, so it takes a lot of work, but video update on that soon. So there we go. Alpine's new ride. Little EJ9 Civic
1.4.
So I would say this is an upgrade. Also,
I'm happy with it.
Also, sorry for the wind noise. Midway process. Took the coilovers off, the front radiator support. We took a salsa and just chopped that out. So now we can just undo motor mounts, put it on the jack and just drop it down basically. I think everything is somewhat disconnected except for the front axles, but I'm gonna take those out. Doors are out. Stripping the interior, taking everything out because the interior was a black interior which he sold as well. So, yep, parts everywhere. I thought I had space and room, but yeah, this is basically the result of the crash. This, which looks like a wet towel just being crumpled.
The car went like.
But even like here, it's like buckled. Like if it's just this, no problem. If it's just the back piece, but this is it's shite. So almost got everything out.
The result of a, what is it, 1700 kilo BMW hitting you from behind. Would not recommend.
So here we go. Time to pull the engine. We basically did everything, most of it. You want to do it alone?
Jelmer.
Jelmer, we need an extra hand.
Moet je helpen? Buddy?
We moeten even iets pakken.
Welke motorsteun? Waar zit je aan?
Dit moet er even uit.
Luister, we hebben twee dingen
Deze
hier.
is motorsteun.
We hebben deze.
This one.
Plop, die is los.
Oh, that's it.
Alright,
And
so
now we
then.
over here we're coming against this one.
Ja, maar dan komt toch onderdoor. We can go under.
Zakken. Trekken.
Ik ben absoluut.
That's it.
And we pull them out.
Okay.
So,
Tire?
for the guy that's picking this up, Wally, and
Timo.
and Timo, there's your D16 engine.
D14.
Oh, it says 16.
It's a 14.
I'm sorry, I'm not used to low power like that.
It's not low power in this car. It's fun in this car. It's not
True.
fun in that one.
True.
My car needs to swap
So-
ASAP.
Empty. It's pretty easy if you ask me to pull an engine in a car like this, because we basically did everything surrounding the engine within an hour.
Yeah.
Then we got it here, we cut out the front so it's easy to pull it forward, because otherwise we had to pull the body over the engine. But other than that, we just spent our time stripping it apart and taking all the bolts that we can use out. And then was like, wait, main goal of today is to get the engine out. So then another half hour and it's out. So basically within 2 hours you can strip this thing without too much knowledge about these engines.
Now I do have to take off this one because the other guy doesn't have this one and I want it on my engine.
But this is out of the car now, so easy to work on.
Play.
Ja, daar wacht ik ook op. Maar geeft niet.
Was ook niet te merken hoor.
Het was een leuk gesprek
Yeah,
verder.
fair.
So, we did the shocks in the front. Now we have some custom radiator support shocks in the back.
I'll show you how sturdy.
Yeah, show us how static the car is. That thing is static as fuck. Just bounces all over the place. So now a final thing, we're gonna chop the roof, make it a Twingo sunroof. Because, you know, nice bit of sheet metal. If it was drivable, I would have done a like how to make your car faster for free, like Mighty Pomats did, and just chop it off, make it convertible, take everything out, and see how much faster we were. But engine,
Engine is no more.
no more engine.
No more engine. Engine is dead. But now roof is gone.
Last bit. Roof job done. Oh shit.
Oh shit! It's very nice sheet.
Oh, look, there's still a light in there. Wonder if it still works.
Probably doesn't work.
not working.
Not working.
Hey, it's a nice piece.
It is a nice
Next
piece.
time we need to weld a piece in the Civic. I got OEM Honda steel.
This is amazing.
We should have done this earlier. Look at the light.
Well, that was
All
the plan.
the fucking bolts we were doing in the dark.
It was the plan though to put a Twingo roof in it.
Oh damn.
This is funny.
Well, I got some scrap metal out of it. You got your parts out of it.
Yep.
It's basically time we can just throw all the scrap metal we have in here and just roll it out.
Yeah. And be done with it.
I can say if you need any logo parts, you can send me a message on Instagram. But
Yeah.
there's not really much on this anymore. But
Nope.
if there's something that you need, please shoot us a message because offer us a bounty and a Snicker and you can basically come and grab it at this point. So somebody wanted the door handles and sometimes it's a bitch to get them out. So this is how we came up with the solution. Also there's no hinges so the door doesn't latch, so two self-tappers is holding the doors in place and I'm just filling it up with all the old shit and scrap metal that I have so we can bring this thing to the scrap yard. And well, good riddance. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more of this content. And for now, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace!
Do it! Make it!